Welcome everybody. Hello guys. This is Secure Google Cloud Connectivity, and I am just going to tell you about the content of this series so you know what you can find inside. We're going to start with a recap on VPC connectivity to recall the different limitations for interconnecting virtual private clouds. Then we will take a look at VPC peering, which is a great method of connecting our VPCs either inside or between the projects. And then the strong focus throughout this course is going to be put on hybrid connectivity. I'm going to start with an overview of the different methods that Google Cloud offers to interconnect our cloud resources with other clouds, or maybe basically with some on-premise networks. We will then put a lot of attention on Cloud VPN to see how it works and how to use it in the classic and high availability options. I hope you guys join me in Secure Google Cloud Connectivity, and thanks for watching.